Hi guys, it's Mandy from Mom Craft Teach. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a very cute crochet paperclip for your planner or a bookmark. What you will need for this project is one skein of worsted weight yarn. I am using I Love This yarn from Hobby Lobby. You will need a size I or 5.25 millimeter crochet hook, some jumbo paper clips, these are my favorite brand, as well as a pair of scissors to cut your yarn. Okay, to begin, what you'll do is create a magic loop, which basically will allow you to pull the free end later and tighten that circle. So I use my working yarn to create a loop around that yarn I wrapped around my finger, and then I chain once to secure it. I'll put a tutorial link in the description box below if you are new to crochet or creating a magic loop. Next, what you'll want to do is chain 4, and now we will be creating 5 treble crochets into the magic loop. You can see I've created 1 of the 5. Now to create a treble crochet stitch, what you want to do is yarn over your hook twice, insert your hook into the magic loop, pull up your working yarn, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops once more to complete your treble crochet. Once again, we are yarning over twice, inserting your hook into the magic loop, pulling up your working yarn. Now you should see you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 again. Keep creating these treble crochet stitches until you have 5 in total next to your beginning chain 4. Once that's complete, we will chain 4 again and slip stitch right into our magic loop. That means just pull up a working yarn and pull it right through the loop. Now chain 4 one more time, and we will do another 5 treble crochet stitches. Create another 4 chains and slip stitch right into your magic loop. Now you want to chain 1 and pull that loop up, and we're going to cut a nice long tail. I would say just 12 inches to be safe, to make sure you have enough. And we're going to pull up that loop so that it comes all the way through and we are able to secure our work. Now moving on to that free end of our magic loop, what we're going to do is pull that end of the loop nice and tight so that we are getting that circle as small as we can, and we can take both of those free ends and make a nice double knot so it stays nice, tight, and secure. Okay, now we just want to flatten that piece out once we have that knot nice and secure. And what you should have is what kind of looks like a butterfly shape. Now there is a wrong and right side to your work. what you'll see on the right side is that you should see ridges around the end of both sides of your bow, just like this here. You'll see those ridges here and here, and on the other side it looks a little bit more flat, and that is the wrong side. Alright, now we'll take both of our tails together and begin wrapping our bow from front to back, making sure that we are doing it tightly but not too tight, because we want the middle of our bow to be nice and even. You'll notice that the magic loop end will run out before the tail end does, so what you want to do is make sure that you have about 2 inches hanging still to the back, because we want to use it to tie off our work. Now I just keep wrapping the long end around another couple times until I'm satisfied with how my bow is going to look, and make sure you end it so that that tail is falling towards the back. Now cut your ends so that they're just about even, and we want to have them nice and flat. We're going to take our crochet hook again and slip it right under the middle of our bow, and we're going to take one of those ends and pull it right through, just like that. Be careful, because sometimes it does get stuck on those loops there, so you can just carefully fish it through like this with my fingers if you'd like. And then what I'll do, for me it's just easier to flip the bow around and put the crochet hook through the middle going the other way, and pulling the other tail through the middle of my bow. Again, make sure you are doing this on the back of your bow so that none of that work is showing. And now I'm going to create a square knot to secure my ends. So it's very important that you go right over left and pull that under, and then go left over right. When you create this square knot, you are creating obviously a flat knot that will not come undone, because of course you don't want to ruin your beautiful bow that you just created. Go ahead and trim those ends close so that there isn't any small fraying pieces hanging off, and flip it over, and there you go, you have your beautiful crochet bow. Now we'll add our paper clip. I got these on Amazon. I love getting them in all the different colors they have. Alright, now I'm just taking that end of my paper clip and opening it slightly just so I can fish it through the middle of my bow. I like to do this on the front side of my bow. I just find that it lays well that way, and you just want to flip it around so that your bow sits right on top of that little paper clip there, and it is ready to go in your planner. Use it as a bookmark, or keep your bills or paperwork together, whatever you'd like to use it for. Alright guys, thank you for crafting with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a big thumbs up, and for more tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed it. It turned out super cute, and I feel like my planner is ready for spring. Thanks for watching, you guys. Take care. Bye.